Join us at the Palm Beach Maritime Academy's highly anticipated open house on Saturday, March 2nd, 2024. This exciting event provides you with the perfect opportunity to explore our two exceptional campuses. The elementary campus tour begins at 10 a.m., while the secondary campus tour kicks off at 11 a.m. Our innovative elementary program, designed for students from kindergarten through 5th grade, places a strong emphasis on STEM and literacy-based instruction. We seamlessly integrate marine science field trips into each student's educational journey, offering unique, hands-on learning experiences that foster a lifelong love for the environment and our oceans. As for our secondary program, tailored to students from 6th through 12th grade, we provide a challenging and diverse curriculum that adapts to each individual's needs. Our mission is to prepare students for success in college and future careers by offering an array of academic opportunities, including honors, advanced placement, dual enrollment, and early admission options. Don't miss this fantastic opportunity to learn about our exceptional programs, meet our dedicated staff, and discover the boundless possibilities that await your child at the Palm Beach Maritime Academy. Mark your calendars for Saturday, March 2nd, 2024. And remember, at PBMA, an adventure awaits.